Customer, good morning. Staff, good morning. How can I help you? Customer, I want to buy a pet. Staff, that's great. What kind of pet do you want? Customer, I am thinking about a dog. Staff, we have many breeds of dog. Customer, you can show me some. Staff, sure. Please come this way. Customer, this puppy looks very cute. Staff, yes, it is very friendly. Customer, how old is this puppy? Staff, it is 3 months old. Customer, what does it eat? Staff, it eats dog food and milk. Customer, is it easy to take care of? Staff, yes, but it needs love and attention. Customer, how much does it cost? Staff, it costs 5,000 rupees. Customer, that sounds reasonable. Staff, we also provide vaccination. Customer, that is a good to know. Staff, do you need any pet supply? Customer, yes, I need a bowl and leash. Staff, we have good quality products. Customer, please show them to me. Staff, here are some options. Customer, I like this one. Staff, great choice. Customer, thank you for your help. Staff, you are welcome. Visit again.